here to give you a room tour at Ryugon, Ryugon, in a remote part of Japan on the western side of the main Honshu Island, Minami Uonuma in Niigata Prefecture. This is the Villa Suite Premium, room H. So let's take a look. This is the toilet with the modern Japanese technology, which I will not demonstrate. But it flips open automatically, has a nice washlet, very hygienic. Here's the vanity area. Over here is the indoor bath shower combo area. This is where we came from, the entrance. So on to the main room. Over to the right is a little storage closet where it's a bit of a mess, but they equip the closet with clothes, baskets, Yukata, which are the Japanese traditional robes, things of that nature. There's a desk, bed, a lounging area with a couch, and space to just put your belongings. So as you can see, it has a really nice view of a pond or a lake somewhere in between. Expansive view from our private terrace, which also has a hot springs bath, Onsen bath. But before we do, let's turn around. And here is the mini bar and a coffee machine. Let's see the bedroom and lounge area from here. Okay, so on to the outdoor area. So here we have the natural onsen hot springs bath in our room. You can just chill out there while enjoying the scenery all around, the mountains, the forests, nice little lake or pond. We were told there's absolute privacy here, so that I don't know what that is. I don't think that's a room. To the left is the, at 10 o'clock is where they're drying the rice. Anyway, so yeah, it's really pretty. View of the surrounding forest and the lake. So there you have it. This is Ryugon, Ryugon in Minami Uonuma. in Niigata Prefecture in northwestern Honshu Island of Japan. Hope you enjoyed.